Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Dion back again with another video. Today we're just gonna be making an R&B beat. First of all, I'm gonna play the sample and then I'm gonna explain it, and then I'm gonna lay some simple drums on it, and then we're gonna check how the vibe goes. The sample sounds like this. Yeah, so basically what I did is I actually started with these chords. I'm actually using a Romance piano from Triton, playing these chords. Sounds like this. Yeah, the key to this is actually using seventh chords. As you can see, all of them are actually seventh chords. So in the first I have the E minor seventh. So if I take away the D, then it's a triad. Sounds like this. But if I put back the D, it sounds like this, and it gives you more of the R&B vibe. Even the second note is seventh chord. I just push this D up an octave, because it sounded better there. So basically what a seventh chord is, if you don't know, is it's actually the seventh note in the key. The seventh note of the chord actually, so in the key. So if you skip one, and then skip one again, and then skip one again, giving you 4 notes, this makes it a seventh chord, because it's the last note you add is the seventh note of the key. I hope you guys understand. What the fuck? I simply just added Space Light with the Gold Roses preset, and then Parametric EQ just to cut some lows and put some highs. Sounds like this. Yeah, next up I then added this Lounge Release at 80s Rhodes. Actually playing the same chords but an octave higher, and they're a little bit shorter at the ending. Yeah, this definitely gives you that R&B vibe. All I did for the effects is simply just add a parametric EQ, cut some low, push some highs. Next up, I actually like you guys. Next up, I then bounce it out, the both of them, bounce them out, and then I push them up an octave, and then I send them to a mixer track. So when I send them to a mixer track, on the effects, I simply added, first of all, I added halftime, and then I added fruity reverb just for my ambience, and then I cut some lows because it was getting a little bit muddy. Yeah, so next up, I also played the same version but without the effects, just for variation. Yeah, and then I added this perk loop. So yeah, next up, I then added these vocals. Just zoom in. So they're actually in A. They're in the key of A minor. So for us to move them to the same key as the keys, as the chords are in, we have to actually pitch them. So first we're gonna figure out. So they're in A minor. So I'm going to be moving them up to E minor. So to move them up to E minor, you have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 semitones for them to be in the same key as the chords. So I move them up 7 semitones, and then these actually made them so that they're in the same key. So I'm going to play them raw. Yeah, pretty vibey. The effects I simply added the EQ, another EQ to smooth it out, and then a chorus, and then a fruit love video for that underwater feeling, and then space light, just for ambience. Yeah. Then next up, I then added this jazz guitar from Contact. Actually put it on solo, and then I put the master effect to Cathedral, and then I pushed the amount to a maximum, just so it swells. So I played this actually. Yeah, pretty vibey for the effects. Simply added the EQ, and then a fruity chorus, of course, and then a pancake just to increase the width of the guitar. Yeah, next up, I simply then exported out the sample, and then I actually pitched it up 2 semitones. When I pitched it up 2 semitones, that means that for our chords, let me just show you exactly what I did for our chords. What I actually did, then pitched it up 1, 2. So we are no more in the key of E minor. Now we're in the key of F sharp minor. So that then led me to start with the drums. So simply started with this hi-hat loop. Sounds like this. Yeah, sounds pretty vibey, then I added the drums, of course. The drums are pretty simple as well. They sound like this together with the loop. Yeah, so let me just explain what I have. First of all, I have this snare which has a slight reverb to it. And then I have this verb, the back. It's actually a rim, sounds like this. And then next up I have this hi-hat, of course. This hi-hat is playing a very simple pattern, and then I have another hi-hat to accompany it, just to get a little bit more bouncy. And then actually on this first hi-hat, I added a little bit of shift to it, just so that to add more bounce to the groove. And then next up I then added this perk. And then of course a hard hitting kick, which is pretty spaced out. Yeah, pretty vibey, next up I then just added the bass. I simply added the bass. The bass is actually the bass. I have this envelope on, and it's a sub bass. Plays this, simply just follows the chords actually. And then I added the 808. The 808 also simply just follows the chords. However, I have an envelope on it, but I have the attack a little bit on, just so that it makes space for the kick. so that they don't clash. So the 808 pattern sounds like this. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty simple. One last thing I actually forgot to mention is that on the bass, on the sub bass, I have this slide note at the end of the eighth bar, which actually just makes it slide. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. I'm gonna pay you the finished beat. So I would just like to thank you guys for watching, and please, guys, leave a like, comment, and if you haven't joined the family, please do hit the sub button. I'm trying to reach 1K before the end of this year. So peace out, guys. Thank you very much.